Thank you for tuning in to DRR Drywall Repair, your brain surgeon of drywall repair. BNI really does work. In 2019, it worked. In 2020, it's working even better. To date, over the course of 6 to 7 years being in and around BNI, we've closed nearly $150,000 of thank you for closed business. That number right there. And that is the power of farming and developing relationships with people that you know, like, and trust. So many times people want to know about an organization. How do you give back? What are you doing? So here are some of the ways that we interact. 10% of all of our gross proceeds are donated to a local 501c3 organization. Previously, we sponsored a trip to Guatemala to help put the finishing touches on a children's orphanage. We believe in mentoring, especially other young business owners. When you're first starting out, you don't know what you don't know, and we love to help other people. We facilitated project completion last year of a gentleman in his 80s, polio conqueror. He was an amputee patient as well, and we were happy to help bring his project to completion. And then personally, myself as the owner, with my wife and family, we have helped to oversee and lead nursing home visits and ministry for the last 10 years in partnership, relationship, and under the guidance of local church leadership. Why sell DRR drywall? What makes us unique? Your client needs discretion. They demand professionalism. A project requires a particular skill set that you're not being able to facilitate in-house or in the general public. State licensure is required, and communication is an absolute must. These are some of the most sought after attributes that we are able to provide at DRR Drywall Repair. So who to sell to? Who can really use our services? And who do we like to work with? What makes sense? Plumbers, electricians, a purchasing department head, whether that's at the state, federal, local level, again, nursing home, schools, assisted living facilities, or even HOA communities. Interior designers love us because of attention to detail. Maintenance supervisors, and of course, realtors are all great fits for us. Founded in 2009, we maintained our LLC in 2011, and we've been state licensed here for the last, I believe, 3.5 years or so. This state license is a big deal because that means that we have secured the proper amount of both professional resources, acumen, and development as a company to maintain state licensure. We are an SDVOSB certified company. It's a service disabled veteran-owned small business. And of course, we are on Angie's List, Home Advisor screened, through the Florida Veteran Business Enterprise certified as well. We have gone to the Trimtex factory and personally seen the machines of many of the materials that we utilize. A+ rated on the Better Business Bureau, and of course we were pleased to secure the 2018 Ocala Best of the Best for drywall repair. This is the family. So you've got myself as the owner. I'm the guy with the bald head right here in the middle. Oh, a little bit right there of the nose. My beautiful wife, my son, his name is Matthew, and my daughter name is Juliana. They are the ones that I love the most. So what do we do at DRR Drywall? Drywall repair, drywall installation, and drywall retexturing. Drywall repair can consist of water damage, catastrophic failure, i.e. thermal cycling, that's the drywall or the envelope getting hot and cold, and then it falling from the ceiling. DIY fixes, sometimes things go off the rails. Drywall installation, that comes into place where you've had a large amount of drywall removed and you need it put back in. And then drywall retexturing, whether that's popcorn ceiling replaced, popcorn ceiling reinstalled, or maybe there was a different texture on the walls or the ceiling and you want to change it to something else. We facilitate all that and more. So let's talk drywall repair. It all starts in the prep, covering the floor, masking off the walls, drawing straight lines or chalking them, as you can see on this slide, prepping the surface with a problem surface sealer many times, as you can see the shininess, and then executing. So tape, coat, and texture. We believe a drywall repair should be something that you can't see versus something that sticks out like a sore thumb. Drywall installation matters. Do you have the correct spacing? Do you understand the products that you're installing? Do you know what the mechanical tolerances are for the envelope that you're working within? These and so many other questions are things that we're able to provide to our clients with a peace of mind, with our experience, resources, ongoing communication with suppliers and manufacturers will make the drywall installation process as seamless as our communication. Here you can see what happens when you have a company come in and quote unquote retexture and the prep is not done correctly. In fact, loose tape was removed, but no new tape applied. Over 35 man hours were required to prep the entire project surface, and that was just to get it in a position to have it begin to have tape, coat, and texture reinstalled. Hire us at the beginning, save all of us this misery. As we're getting ready to finish up, go ahead and jump on over to our website, drrDrywallRepair.com. You can connect with us on social media through some of the links and see the pictures of the repairs we've been performing for our clients. So how do you sell DRR drywall? Well, just like we do. Specifically, we don't drink, smoke, curse, or do drugs. We're state licensed, insured, believe in comprehensive communication, and sound repairs. Structurally sound, aesthetically pleasing, in a clean environment. Thank you for tuning in to DRR Drywall Repair. Please let us know if we can be a professional resource for you or for your clients.